Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you guys are new here, hi, my name is Kom and thank you so much for tuning in. So I am really pumped to make this video क्योंकि ना I have some amazing products here. I have few products जो मैं बहुत religiously लगा रही हूँ, तो मैंने सोचा कि why not, like मैंने ऐसा beauty haul किया नहीं है कुछ टाइम से, तो मेरे को लगा कि मेरे को कर लेना चाहिए because seriously I am obsessed with these products and I'm sure कि आप लोगों को भी अच्छा लगेगा. एंड आई एम ऑल्सो सो श्योर कि आप लोगों ने मेरे को ना ये सब प्रोडक्ट्स बहुत बारी यूज़ करते हुए देखा होगा इफ़ यू फॉलो माई शॉर्ट्स रेगुलरली, क्योंकि मैं अपने शॉर्ट्स में बहुत सारी गेट रेडी विथ मी ऐसे वीडियोस करती रहती हूँ, तो मैंने बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाया है. तो आई हैव फ्यू प्रोडक्ट्स हियर एंड मेरे को इतना स्किन केयर एंड ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में इतना कुछ पता नहीं है. सो मैं आपको वही बताऊँगी जो जितना मेरे को पता है. आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू लाइक बी लाइक द ब्यूटी गुरु, क्योंकि मेरे को नहीं आता है सही में भी. सो हियर आर सम प्रोडक्ट्स दैट आई जेन्युइनली लव सो मच. So yeah, it's very affordable, not very, but it's affordable, and I'll talk about it also. Yeah, let's get started. So before starting this video, let me tell you all that I have very dry and very sensitive skin. मेरे स्किन में ना कुछ भी ऐसा एसिड वगैरह जैसे सैलिसिलिक एसिड ये सब लगाते ना तो थोड़ा थोड़ा जलने लगते हैं, and there are very few products जो मेरा स्किन को ना सूट करते हैं. So yeah, here I have some products है ना, तो I'll show you all one by one. So now let's start with the face wash, क्योंकि face wash is my first step of skincare, and this is the face wash I've been using for almost 2 months now. No, more than 2 months now, hoga 3 months, and this comes for 800 rupees, but Amazon में you'll get it for 640 rupees ऐसा, and it will last you for 3 months. क्योंकि अभी मैंने 2 मंथ ऑलरेडी यूज़ कर लिया है एंड अभी भी थोड़ा सा बाकी है, सो आई एम गोना बी यूजिंग इट दिस मंथ ऑल्सो. एंड दिस इज़ फ्रॉम इनिसफ्री. इट इज़ ग्रीन टी अमीनो हाइड्रेटिंग क्लेंजिंग फॉर्म. इसका ना 2 वेरिएंट आते हैं, बट दिस वन रियली लाइक कॉट माई आई, नॉट बिकॉज इट्स ग्रीन बट इट कॉट माई आई बिकॉज इट्स हाइड्रेटिंग, एंड यहाँ लिखा है कि हाइड्रेटिंग क्लेंजिंग फॉर्म. मेरा जो भी स्किन केयर है मोस्टली ऑल ऑफ देम फोकस ऑन हाइड्रेशन ओनली, क्योंकि आई हैव ड्राई स्किन एज आई मैंशन. सो या दिस इज माई फेस वॉश एंड आई एम ऑब्सेस्ड विद दिस वन. अगर आप ऐसा हैवी मेकअप करते ना, देन आई थिंक इफ़ यू यूज़ दिस तो आपको ऐसा डबल क्लेंस करने का भी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगा, क्योंकि इसका जो फॉर्म है ना इट्स अमेजिंग. और ये फेस वॉश लगा के ना आपको ऐसा फील होता है कि हाँ पूरा अंदर से साफ हो गया है, ऐसा टाइप का फीलिंग. आई गॉट हाईली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय माई फ्रेंड बिकॉज शी ऑल्सो हैज़ दिस वन, बट ना मैं तो उसका ये अलग वाला वेरियंट में है विच इज़ फॉर लाइक एक्ने प्रोन स्किन, बट दिस वन इज़ फॉर हाइड्रेशन and for clogged pores and also for blackheads and all. So this one is really good and I love this. Also love the quantity so much, guys. Like it's going to be my 3rd month now. I love it. I'll provide the Amazon links in my description box, क्योंकि you'll get this face wash for only 640 rupees and it will last you for such a long time, so it's a great deal. And हाँ, Amazon में ना ऐसा beauty products में भी बहुत ज़्यादा off चलते हैं, so I'll provide the links. You guys can go and check it out. Now moving on to my next one, let's go with the sunscreen because it comes in skincare line and I want to complete पहले skincare वाला. So here I have 2 sunscreens and both are from Beauty of Joseon. Okay, so let's start with this sunscreen, guys. This is the one that I am obsessed with. This one I've used it for a month and it's almost over now. And this one is also a little expensive, but it's sunscreen, so sunscreens are expensive only. But Amazon में ना you'll get it for 1048 rupees, something like that, या 1100 rupees. So मैं इसका भी link provide कर दूँगी. I really like this sunscreen, guys, and it is from Beauty of Joseon. And I'm so sure कि आपने ये बहुत सारे लोगों को use करते हुए देखा होगा. And once you use this, there's no going back, क्योंकि it's very lightweight and it's so good. It has SPF 50 and this is 50 ml. And also like Korean sunscreen या Korean beauty products कह लो, they are in different level, guys. Like Korean products को no one can compare ऐसा skincare में. I love it and it's so good, guys. But only down point about this sunscreen is इसका जो applicator है ना वो मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं लगा because I can't apply like this. I mean of course I can, but it's like it touches my skin जो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगता है. So you know what, guys, their new packaging is so good and let me show you all. This is their new sunscreen and guess what, guys, I got it for 1200 rupees something from Amazon and I have seen this ऐसा अलग अलग website में and it was for 2400 something. I don't know why क्यों इतना ज़्यादा price बढ़ा के like they're selling it because it's the same and this is the original one. ऐसा मत सोचना कि ओ ये Amazon में है then this will be fake. No, guys, it is the original one. It comes with the like their own packaging. और ना Amazon में ऐसा पता चल जाता है कि who are selling it for fake and कौन ओरिजिनल है पूरा पता चल जाता है क्योंकि ऊपर में लिखा होता है कि ओरिजिनल सेलर कौन है. सो दिस इज द न्यू सनस्क्रीन एंड लेट मी शो यू ऑल गाइस. इट्स सो गुड. यू हैव टू अप्लाई इट लाइक दिस. इसका जो एप्लीकेटर है वो यू गाइस कैन सी ओनली कि कितना ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है. ओके, व्हाई इट्स नॉट फोकसिंग? Oh my god, what's wrong? But you guys got it right. Like इसका जो applicator है, it's so good, and yeah, you can apply directly like this, and I love it. अगर आपके पास पैसा है, then I would highly recommend you all to go for the Korean skincare products because I feel like वो लोग अलग ही लेवल में है. सो डेफिनेटली इन्वेस्ट इन योर स्किन केयर बिकॉज स्किन केयर में इन्वेस्ट करोगे ना तो of course you'll have good skin and you'll feel better also when you have good skin. Now पहले मेरा skin इतना ज़्यादा बुरा हो गया था. A lot of you guys know that and I used to be so depressed. So yeah, I have worked on my skincare products and now I have better skin, like better than last time. Coffee break. So the next one is a tinted sunscreen and I am obsessed with this one. I got it on July and I'm still using it, and it is from this Indian brand named as Dot and Key. Firstly, I love the packaging. I love the color red so much, and guys the product is also so good. मैं ये 2 महीने से यूज़ कर रही हूँ और ये अभी भी चल रहे हैं and I use it religiously guys. Like अगर मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ ना तो मैं सनस्क्रीन के ऊपर सनस्क्रीन लगाती हूँ. मैं ये सिर्फ सनस्क्रीन के लिए यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ. आई बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. पहले आई अप्लाई अनदर सनस्क्रीन और अगर मैं बाहर जा रही हूँ देन आई अप्लाई दिस अगेन क्योंकि आई लाइक इसका टिंट सो मच. और इसका जो टिंट है ना इट विल गिव यू दैट ऐसा ग्लोसी वाला लुक जिससे यू फील वेरी पुट टुगेदर. और जब से मैंने ये लिया है ना तब से आई हैव स्टॉप्ड यूजिंग कंसीलर, फाउंडेशन, व्हाटएवर. लाइक आई यूज़ ओनली दिस वन बिकॉज आई रियली लाइक द ग्लोसी लुक एंड it also like color corrects itself, so I really like it. This is the one. It's my holy grail and this is in the shade Porcelain. I think I pronounced it right, I'm not sure. Porcelain, yeah, porcelain, I don't know, but this is my shade. I think this is the lightest shade and I also love the applicator guys. Like look at this. It is very lightweight and this is for all skin types, so you guys can give it a try. There are some shades available, like I think there are a total of 4 to 5 shades available, I'm not sure. So this is my shade, that is Porcelain. So you guys can go and check it out and I'm sure you guys will love it. I've been using it since July and it has lasted me so well, so yeah, I would highly recommend you all. और ये इतना भी महंगा नहीं है. It's for 440 something, so it's a good price and it's a very good tinted sunscreen. You can give it a try and yeah, you can apply it like I do. पहले अपना sunscreen लगाओ and then you guys can apply this for the little tint and all and it looks so good. Okay, so now we are done with the skincare products and now I have some beauty products and here I have 2 blush from the same brand. This is the first one that I ordered. It's in a very good shade and this is the second one. This I ordered recently. Okay, ये ना मैंने बहुत पहले लिया था and I'm sure I've shown you all also क्योंकि this is only for 98 rupees guys, like 98 या 89 rupees और इतना अच्छा blush है ना. And a lot of you guys were saying कि Gom, I got this blush on your recommendation and it's really good but it doesn't give that tint, like sorry, it doesn't last long. It's only for 89 rupees guys. What else you can expect, right? But itna lamba bhi last nahi hone se it lasts really good. In my case I have used it so many times और ये बहुत अच्छा last हुआ है guys. इसका जो shade है ना it's really good and it's very creamy. Since I have dry skin तो मेरे को ये बहुत ज़्यादा सही लगता है क्योंकि it has this ऐसा glossy वाला look. तो वही है गाइस, आई तो रियली लव इट. आई डोंट नो ये फोकस क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. अरे व्हाई इज नॉट फोकसिंग. हियर्स द अनदर वन जो मैंने रिसेंटली लिया है. ये लेके मेरे को सिर्फ 15 डेज जैसा ही हुआ होगा एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो इन सच अ गुड शेड. आई लव इट गाइस. इतना 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 क्रीमी है ना. दिस इज़ लिप एंड चिक टिंट फ्रॉम इनसाइड. प्राइस इतना ज़्यादा सही है, सो आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू ऑल. यू गाइस कैन गो एंड चेक इट आउट. अपना ये अपना बैग में भी ऐसे ही कैरी कर सकते हैं एंड यू कैन अप्लाई इट एनी टाइम. ओके, लेट मी अप्लाई इट नाउ. आई विल अप्लाई दिस वन विच इज़ इन पिंक कलर. I don't even know if I'm applying this blush correctly, but I just like to apply it. मैंने ये बहुत बारी कहा है, बहुत लोग मेरे को कहते हैं Gom, you're applying your blush wrong. But the thing is, I don't want to learn, guys. I mean, of course I want to learn, but देखिए guys, tint इतना ज़्यादा है, इसका tint is so good. So this is how it looks, guys. I really like it. बहुत ऐसा natural सा color दे रहा है. Okay, so yeah, I love it. Okay, so let's move on to my last section, and it is some of my favorite lip products. I have total of 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is from Dot & Key, this both are from Romand, and this one is from Maybelline. This one I got it this morning only. I'll talk about this one सबसे last में. And this are from Romand. I'm obsessed, guys. This one तो I got it last year, and ये finally ख़त्म हो गया है. I need to refill this one. I mean, like, I need to get a new one. And this one I got it 2 months back, and this one though I got it, I think, again last year. So let me talk about these products. Maybelline one have this very thick wala texture. Let me show you all. I'll apply it here. See, guys, you all can see only ki this is a very pretty sa gloss, but it has this quite thick texture, but it doesn't feel that heavy on your lips, so it's a nice one. I really like the tint also. And this one is my favorite one, guys, favorite one. This is from Romand, and you guys can see ki ye khatam ho gaya hai. I really need to get this one kyunki a lot of you guys used to say, you know, ki what's on my lips when I used to apply this one. It's one of my favorite one. Ye khatam ho gaya hai. So here's the another one. If you want red color ka lip tint, then you guys can go and check out this one. It's really good, and yeah, it has this tint, guys. It's so good and it lasts long, so it's nice. I don't know, guys, whether I'm able to explain you all or not, but मेरे को समझ नहीं आ रहा है. But I'm not a beauty creator, so yeah, I hope you guys will understand. Now you guys may ask, Gom, what's on your lips? So I am applying this one from Dot & Key. Yesterday I was with my sisters, and one of my sister was using this one, और वो कह रहे थे कि Gom, see, I got this one from your recommendation. और मैंने कहा कि no, I've never tried Dot & Key का lip balm. Saying no, I have watched your video only and I got it. And I was like, नहीं, सही में I have reviewed only Foxtail, जो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं लगा था. So Dot & Key का तो मैंने कभी review किया ही नहीं है. I just applied once and I fell in love. So this morning I ordered this one, and it is so good, guys. Like, let me show you all, ठीक है? It has this very pretty सा tint, and let me apply it on my lips. अभी मेरे lips में कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है? So yeah, let me apply this. And look at this, guys. Oh my god, I love this shade so much. This is in the shade Red Romance, and I really like it. It is lip balm, but it also has this tint. और मैं दीदी कह रहा था कि अगर ये आप ना रात को लगा के सोगे, then सुबह you'll wake up with like very soft lips ऐसा. तो वही है, I wanted to get this one. मैंने ये कल रात लगाया था actually, you know, and it's so good. So I would highly recommend you all. And look at the gloss, guys. It's only for 199 rupees. I love lip tint है ना, और मेरे को ना ऐसा lip balm with tinted, I love it so much. You guys know my love for tinted lip balm, so this is my new favorite and I really like it. I'm so tempted to try another lip shades also, like this lip balm with another shade, with like different shades I mean, but let's see. अभी मैं नहीं खरीदूंगी क्योंकि I already have lip balm, so ये खत्म होने के बाद ही I'll try. The best thing about this lip balm is, of course, it's very hydrating and very soft, juicy ऐसा. But the another thing जो मेरे को ये lip balm का बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा ना, it doesn't have गंदा सा after taste जो हर lip balm के बाद आते हैं ना. इसलिए I prefer Laneige only, because Laneige में बहुत अच्छा taste आता है, तो इसमें भी अच्छा सा ही taste है. जैसा Hyphen हो गया and other brands, you know, they have this very गंदा सा ऐसा taste. So yeah, it has ceramides plus peptide, and it also has SPF 50 plus and PA plus plus plus. So it's really great, and love it. Like, it doesn't have that ganda sa aftertaste, so I would highly recommend you all. You guys can go and check out like another shade also, but this is the shade that I own, which is in Romance, Red Romance, and I love it so much. So yeah, with that we are done with this video, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Agar aapko ye video अच्छा लगा, then please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also comment this emoji for this video, and do let me know if you guys want to watch more of these videos, क्योंकि I would love to create it. And also I'm so excited for the fall content, so subscribe karna and do wait for it, क्योंकि I'm so excited, and I'll see you all very soon with my next video. Bye bye, take care.